guys, so today's vlog is gonna be another exciting vlog because I will be doing a giveaway. Also guys, I'm planning to have another giveaway on my Shopee account. So I'll be having a live streaming on September 21, 8 PM. So if you guys also are interested to join my giveaways on Shopee, everyone is invited to join. Please stay tuned for the mechanics and the items that I will be giving away. So before we go to the haul, please insert intro. So guys, let's start now with the Shopee haul. And by the way guys, I've already cleaned before putting all these packages inside my room. So it's just already sanitized because guys, we need to make sure that everything is clean. The first Shopee haul that I did on my YouTube channel was the unboxing of my ring light. So if you guys are interested to see that, I'll just put the link up here on the cards above and the link on the description box down below. By the way guys, all the items that I've purchased from Shopee are on sale and very much affordable. So let's see guys kung maganda ba yung quality ng mga products or worth it lang ba yung prices niya with the quality. So I'm very much excited for you guys to see. So let's now start first with this one from Jukaykay sale. But first, we need to have a scissor for the unpacking of the plastic. So let's start opening now. So I guess I have 22 items. Wow. So these are all tops from Jukaykay sale. And this one is mga bottoms. So I have this 7 basic tees. As you guys can see na, mga plain colors lang sila with the same style. So I'll show you guys this one. I'm really loving the material. It's really nice. Gusto ko talaga yung mga plain colors guys kasi it's easy to style. So it's easy to pair, it's easy to match. Especially this style is very nice. So you can wear that with a high waist pants or high waist na shorts. So guys, I will open na lang the remaining 6 colors since same style lang naman siya with the maroon. And the price of this one is 99 pesos which I've got on sale from the original price now 109 pesos. It's really comfy to wear. The material is very nice. And it's really, I can say it's really worth the price. So let's take this aside guys. So the next items that I will be showing to you guys are these. The Kawaii tie-dye crop top. Oh, look at that guys. It's so nice. The colors are very nice. So let's open first with this one. So another crop top from Jukaykay, which I really, oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's so cute. If you wanna guys go to the beach, so it's nice to wear these kind of prints. The material is very smooth. I really like it because it's really comfy to wear. So nice. I love this one. And I'll show you guys the other print. So this one, oh my gosh, this is so cute as well. Oh, diba? It's so pretty. And the last color is this one. So it's so nice, guys. Oh, look at that. So the combination of colors is very nice. By the way, guys, this one is only 129 pesos each. And I also got it on sale from the original price niya na 150 pesos. So let's proceed with the other prints, guys. So I have here the rainbow print. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. As you can see, guys, oh, the color combination is very nice. Oh my gosh, so I have here, I've got 2 pieces of these and also 2 pieces of the red one. So let's open one for you guys to see the entire fit. This one is a semi-crop top lang siya, guys. Look at the combination of the colors, guys. It can brighten your day by wearing these rainbow shorts. So I've got these 2 prints for only 59 pesos each lang siya, guys. So this is also on sale from the original price na 99 pesos. So watch out also, guys, because I have 2 more. So the last 3 items here are bottoms. So let's start first with this one. Look at that, guys. It's so nice. You can see, guys, oh, the print is so nice. Makapal yung tela. It's very comfy to wear. The color, the style, gosh, everything. A small to medium size can fit to this pants. And the price of this one, guys, is 249 pesos from the original price niya, 280 pesos. So I'm loving that. So let's proceed with the remaining 2. So I have here the... This one is so cute. Look at that. It's so orange, as in very orange. So this one, guys, is only for 199 pesos from the original price na 280 pesos. So, imagine that, guys. Meron ka ng magandang pants na maganda yung tela. Also love the color. So, this is my first time that I'm gonna be having this color. So, I'm very much excited for me to wear this, guys, on my next trip. Yay! So, last but not the least. So, same style lang siya, guys, with the orange. And I've got this one in navy blue with the same price din of 199 pesos. So, look at the detail. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. On to the next package we have here, which is from Yazzie! So, guys, let's start now unpacking this one. So, we have first is this one. Disposable mask because I've ordered 2 boxes of these disposable masks. So, from 1.4, I've got this for only 88 pesos per pack ng 50 pieces. We need to wear our mask whenever we go. So, mask is a mask! Let's now proceed. So, what we have, oh my gosh, I've ordered a lot of bags pala, guys, from them. So, I have plenty of bags here. So, let's count how many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So, imagine, guys, I have 9 bags na nabili ko from this shop. So, I cannot wait to open this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, guys. I've been eyeing this kind of bags for so long. Kasi nga, di ba, mahal talaga yung mga ganito nga klase na bags. So, it comes with a chain sling, which is so nice. I got this one for only 95 pesos, guys. From the original price niya na 399 pesos. So, imagine that. The quality is too much for the price, to be honest. It's so nice. I'm really loving it. And I have other prints as well. This one is in. I really love the combination of the colors. Guys, it's really nice. As in super for the price of 95 pesos. I mean, it's really such a steal, guys. So, the next bag that I will be showing to you guys are these 3 bags with the same style, but the color, guys, are different. Okay, so I have the black, in brown, and in white. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This one also is 95 pesos from the original price na 666 pesos. So, look at the details, guys. Oh, it's so nice. The rattan material and also, guys, still in gold chain. The quality is very much good for the price for only 95 pesos. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys, but I don't think I will include this in my giveaways because I'm really loving all 3 colors. I'm sorry, guys. So, let's now proceed with the other bag. So, the same pa rin, guys, na rattan bag. But, what's the difference is the front one with the same style na gold. And, expandable rin siya, guys. So, you can put a lot also of stuff. Ay, by the way, guys, 85 pesos lang pala to, guys. From the original price niya na 500 pesos. So, 2 more bags left. So, we have here the mustard print. So, it comes with a sling, guys. So, you can wear sideways with belt type na bag. Or the side one. Or sling. So, this one. And this one, guys, I've got this also for only 85 pesos from 115 pesos na original price niya. So, you can use this kind of bag in your daily errands. And the last bag that I've got is a belt bag, guys. It's really nice. I really love the print of this one. So, look at this. The color combination is very, very nice. And you can see also, guys, yung strap niya. Super kapal ng material. As in, I'm really loving it. Guys, this is only 65 pesos. Look at that. Ito yung magdadala sa outfit nyo. So, just like this one. We're done with the bags. And now, let's now proceed with the remaining items that I've got from Yazzie shop. I've got a yoga sports bra. So, actually, guys, hindi ako nag-yoga, but yung description niya is yoga. I have 4. I have the black, the nude, the brown, and the white one. Nakabagan siya, guys. So, you can wear this one with a cardigan and high-waist na pants or shorts for only 60 pesos each from the original price din niya na 120 pesos. Sorry, guys, but I'm loving all the colors. So, I'm gonna keep it for myself. And by the way, guys, the material are very, very nice. It's just a good purchase. Also, guys, I have 4 cutie socks, mga Korean socks. These 4 will be part of my giveaways. So, on to our third, but definitely not the least. So, I've got this one from Daisy Collection. So, this is my recent purchase talaga, guys. So, I'm just waiting for this one to arrive para masama ko talaga dito sa Shopee haul ko. So, I'm really excited for this one. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ang ganda na packaging nila, guys, kasi nakalagay lahat sa Ziploc. So, I've got this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So, I've got 2 free items, guys, from Daisy Collection. So, watch out later for these 2 items. So, let's first open this one, guys. So, I've got this one in pink or pale pink na color. So it comes with pajama. I really love the color and the material is very nice. It's very smooth. It's silky. So I've got this one for only 299 pesos. Oh my goodness. From the original price na 600 pesos. May pantulog na po ako. I've also got this one in violet na color. I'm loving two colors. So if you guys are also looking for mga sleepwears or mga pantulog, you can visit their page, guys. Just look for Daisy Collection available at Shopee. Another sleepwear, guys, with prints. So I have this one in super nice print. So this one comes with the shorts, guys. Unlike the two are in pajamas. So only 299 pesos lang siya, guys. So same price lang din siya ng pajamas. So let's now proceed with the remaining items, guys, from the Daisy Collection. So these two are knitted spaghetti strap for only 124 pesos each, guys, from the original price na 300 pesos. Finally, in our last items, we have here the 4 items. So we have here the white, the pink, the gray, and the black. So this one, guys, is only 45 pesos each lang din siya. So this one is a tube bralette crop tank top. So that's it, guys, for the 3 shops that I've purchased from Shopee. So far, guys, I'm loving everything. As in, everything. The quality, guys, is too much for the price. Kasi mura lang niya, diba? Considering that everything is on sale. So, wala akong masabi, guys, kundi thumbs up talaga sa kanilang tatlo. So, guys, if you are interested also, I'll just put their links down below, guys, so you can check them out. They are available at Shopee. So, the exciting part of this vlog is the giveaway! So, who's excited? For those who are interested to join my first birthday giveaway, the mechanics, guys, are so simple. First, you need to be a subscriber on my YouTube channel. Like this video and click the bell button on so you'll always be notified whenever my new vlog comes out. Second, follow me on my social media accounts on Facebook and on Instagram. Just click the link on the description box so you'll be directed to my social media accounts. Third, share this video and tag me on your post with the hashtag Led's First Birthday Giveaway. So once you're done with the 3 mechanics, the final one is to comment below your name indicating your social media account and give me a reason why do you want to win this giveaway. All entries are valid until September 23, 7 p.m. And the announcement of the 1 lucky winner will be done on September 24, 7 p.m. on my social media accounts. So see you guys on my next giveaway.